In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Windows to Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use Windows within your Chromebook. Keep in mind that while you can do this, there is no guarantee that the experience will be the best, but you can still follow along if there is something that you want to do that requires Windows itself. So to do this, first enable the Linux development environment. So for this method, we are going to be using a virtual machine. Of course, if a virtual machine is not going to solve your current problem or you need Windows for a different purpose without using a virtual machine, then sadly this video is not for you. But if you want to proceed, enable the Linux development environment, and now you will have a new Linux files area where everything that you download can be transferred over. Now what you have to do is get the Windows ISO. So you can visit the official Microsoft website, and in here you can download the Windows 11 or Windows 10 disk image. Make sure that this is downloaded and transfer it to the Linux environment here. So it is going to appear on the downloads folder. You just transfer it over to the Linux files. So make sure that your ISO is located here. With this done, you will now have to run this command. It is quite long, but basically we are going to be installing KVM, which is essentially the virtual machine. So you can pause the video here and type out the entirety of this command, or look for it on Google as well to copy it. Once this is installed, go into your applications. There will be a Linux app folder, and you can find the virtual machine inside of this folder on your apps. So open the virtual machine, and in here choose the option to make a new virtual machine. So go to File, New Virtual Machine, and they are going to ask you to select the ISO file that you downloaded. So in here, choose the option to browse your PC, browse local so you can find it within the Linux files folder. After you find it, you will have to attach storage space to it. Usually 21 gigabytes or more is going to be the best option, so make sure that you include at the bare minimum 20 gigabytes. Proceed, and you will now have a virtual machine running Windows. As I've said previously, the experience is not going to be the best. There are a lot of hardware and firmware differences, however, you can still do basic tasks. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Windows to Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.